Saturday morning, February 9th, 2013. Time 3:07 a.m. I believe. Okay, I'm here, Brooklyn, New York. And this video is on the blizzard we are experiencing here in New York City. Yesterday I made a video on the beginning part of the blizzard. Now, more or less, I think, I know it's still snowing out there, but let me compare this video to the video I made earlier yesterday. Big difference. Now, I did shovel the stoop, and I did shovel in front of my house, and I did put salt down. This was like maybe 3 hours ago, and look, the snow still piled up. I more or less shoveled the snow in vain. Why couldn't it be like this on Christmas Day? This looked like the movie The Shining, Jack Nicholson. All that snow. Wow. And just last week it was foggy.